Stick around to see how we made this cute little rain stick in a very simplistic way that you guys can make today. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Cheryl, the activity author, here with another good one for you today. Now, y'all know we've been getting some rain, some spring showers and all of that, so that inspired our craft today. So all you're gonna need is everything in the description box. Check that out. But first, we're gonna go ahead and start by painting our paper towel rolls so we can get that out the way. Good thing, guys, the paper towel rolls do not take long to dry. We've been doing this for a while, and I think the average time it's like 10 minutes, I feel like it takes to dry, so just don't put too much paint on it. So the next step, what I did was I took some construction paper, I cut out a small circle like you see here, and I put some tape around it to hold it there. I actually did put tape on top of the construction paper as well, because if you think about it, your kids are going to be playing with this for a while and probably a lot and probably very rough. So you want to put some masking tape, or sorry, packing tape on top of the circle as well. So do it all around and then put some on top to really seal it in and make it last longer. And now you want to grab your aluminum foil and you want to shape it like you see me doing here. Make it look like a snake. I guess that's the best way I can say, a very thin snake. The thinner, the better, because I feel like the first time I did this, I made it way too thick like this. But I ended up doing it again because I tested the sound and I was like, I want it to sound more like rain. So the thinner you make it, the better I feel, because the rice or beans will bounce off of the aluminum foil, giving it that rain sound as your child, flips it back and forth. Make sure you create a spiral shape with your aluminum foil and use about 2 pieces so that you can fill your roll, and it should look something like this when you're done. You can see it on the other end. And I will say, when you put your rice and beans, you can use a funnel, that's easier, but less is more. I would say probably 4 tablespoons at the most of rice in this rain stick. Do not put a lot of rice because then the sound won't be as good, And the last step, you just want to decorate it any way you want. You can add feathers, you can glue things to it, you can paint a cool design. I wanted to cover up the tape because I just didn't like the way that looked. So I had some yarn left over, a lot of different types of yarn. So I decided to wrap it around the tape so it can look neater and actually last longer. So it's up to you guys. And as you guys watch me decorate, just notice how I use the hot glue gun to kind of sometimes keep the string in place, because without the hot glue, the string will probably shift around. So yeah, just use it moderately. What's that called?
Uh,
A rain stick, right?
Rainstick. I
Yeah.
want to try.
Yeah, you did a good job. Let me keep keep doing. Keep going.
It's safe.
It shakes. Okay. Slow motion. Oh yes. Do it again. Slow motion. Now make it rain faster. Fast rain. It's raining so fast. Woo! Look at all that rain hitting my doorstep. Now it's raining slow. And that is how it's done. So cute, right? And don't you just love that sound? It's so relaxing. I don't know. I like that sound. It's relaxing to me. All right, but guys, don't forget to give me a like before you leave and subscribe to my channel so you know when I post. And it is every day for the month of March. So you definitely want to click that notification bell so you can be alerted every time I post. And also check out my other crafts, guys. I have so many crafts on here. I'm pretty sure you can find one more thing to watch. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.